Hi, I am Ram Krishna Singh, also known as R.K. Singh from Dhanbad. I would like to present some of my poems published in the book Growing Within. The first poem is Cleansing. I am no god nor beast. I can't live alone, can't sail with the stream, even if foolish, seeking chimeras, imploring in vain, finished relations, link pigs, snakes, monkeys, crowd the pretenses, in my head suspend all formulations, now no more cleansing, spirit viruses and false oracles. The next poem is Living is Emptying. Living is emptying each day. Now frequent forgetting creates a vacuum in the mind. Poetics of decay distresses my stream of awareness. I try to cross a maze of wires and fly into soft mottled sky before the third one last time. Journeying. Journeying, discover the enemies within. Whispers of stillness amid breathlessness. Thank God He is present in the empty spaces, and I can return from the edge to wholeness. Rest. Tired of the past being my present, I let go of worry. Await in the spirit to write off the interest paid on trouble before it's due. I am no Job or Daniel, but I do seek their peace and rest in sunshine now. Poverty. Poverty sneaks through her wet garment on the terrace. She talks to herself, cursing the day she was born and left to negotiate truth of gender, sex, and adulthood. In the middle class, one room apartment, physical rigmarole buries sick delight, hope of wellness, fast and Sunday Mass. Her dispirited heart sinks into dusk, and darkness eats into her light. Patch. Morning air is so dark here, my breathing is choked. They say my colleagues from ISM cleared the existence of 6 coking coal chimneys for a fee under the table. The aged earth mocks the concaving patch of the sky. Snaky path. The path to the mastoid mountain is snaky. The women you meet are not fucking material. You can't grab the sun shining in their hair. They are cool, headstrong, know well how to take care of their wood. So save some charm within the lust house of your heart and enjoy the gathering clouds ready to rain before you cross the distances, or strip naked in the sticks, or write poems on stretches of freeway, or make deal with the devil at every turn. Be wary of the emptiness ahead. And the last poem, which I composed recently, Gospel. Don't question the lips that wilt the tongue, licking wetness in the mouth. The mystery of delight, prophecy of birth by salty swallowing. Make new parables with face mask surviving one more gospel.